In this video, I'm diving deep into Westminster Clinic, a well-known provider of hair restoration services, particularly focusing on their treatment for alopecia. Westminster Clinic promises to offer solutions for those battling hair loss. But how do they stack up in reality? I'll be walking you through their services, what you can expect, and whether the results live up to the hype. The clinic offers a variety of treatment options, ranging from medications to advanced procedures designed to encourage hair regrowth. Their team is known for personalized consultations, making sure that each client's specific needs are addressed. But let's be real, the results can vary. Many users report noticeable improvements, while others don't see the dramatic changes they were hoping for. Now, when it comes to pricing, Westminster Clinic isn't exactly cheap. Treatment costs can add up quickly, and they may not be feasible for everyone, especially when the results aren't guaranteed. Still, if you're looking for professional assistance, the clinic is one of the more reputable names out there. Another point to consider is the clinic's location and accessibility. Depending on where you are, getting to Westminster Clinic may require some planning. But they do offer virtual consultations, which is a nice touch for people who prefer to start the process from the comfort of their own home. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, Westminster Clinic offers a solid service for those looking to treat alopecia. While there are no guarantees, many people have found success with their treatments, especially when they're committed to a long-term plan. If you're ready to take the plunge and invest in your hair restoration journey, this clinic might be worth considering. Make sure to like the video if you found this review helpful and subscribe for more honest reviews on health and wellness services.